guys, your organization queen is back. The queen has arrived. I am feeling a little under the weather, so today I figured the only thing that'll make me feel better is organizing makeup. Now I just got in the mail some more dividers from Vanity Collections. You guys know Vanity Collections is my favorite. They are the creators of these amazing dividers. They also make these cubes, this foundation stand, this other stand, this brush stand. I also have another new brush stand in here. They make just the most amazing makeup organization products you've ever seen in your entire life. So in today's video, I'm going to organize some makeup with you guys. I've got my blushes, my highlighters, and my bronzers. And now Brett is blending a smoothie. So rude. Anywho, I'm not going to keep the intro super long because I'm in my PJs, I'm looking gross, and I just want to finish getting all my makeup organized and finish putting all this stuff away. So if you guys like makeup organization videos, you found the right place. What are you doing, Lil? What you doing, Baba Gil? Oh. Hey, there you are. Hi.